got this box in the mail today. My daughter brought it in, and it's from Twilight Garden Wax. And I didn't order anything because my business is obviously, like most businesses right now, suffering, right? So I snuck my hand inside without actually opening the package to see what was up, and I got the card. So I haven't looked at anything, obviously. And it almost brought me to tears. It reads, Ingrid, I know you're a small business owner and we are in an uncertain time that is causing hardships to businesses like yours. I wanted to send you a little box of love. When I first started my business, you made a purchase and showed me so much support and helped get my name out. Sniffle. Maybe I am going to cry. I am so grateful to you. Sorry about that. My granddaughter called me, but I am so grateful to you. Just wanted to send you this token so you will know how much I appreciate you. Please stay happy and healthy. Thank you for being a source of light and goodness in my life. Denise, girl. Like my all-time favorite wax company, and this is what she does. Like, I can't. Let's see what that is. First of all, the can. Oh, she knows I love me some daggone Haribo. Oh, they're in the shape of bunnies and stuff. How cute is that? This will be gone in like 5 minutes. Thank you. A fortune teller fishy, as usual. What the heck is in here? Oh, strawberry is like one of my favorite scents, and I was really bummed that I missed this last restock. I didn't miss it. I just chose not to purchase because, as she said, we are in uncertain times, and I don't have money to play. And she sent me the strawberry cream soda. I cannot wait to. I bet you it smells amazing. What is this? I'll be right back. So what was in there was a bunch of these spoons. These are Fruity Pebble spoons. Look how pretty the colors are. Gorgeous. And then I believe these are the Fruit Loops one. Yes. Fruit Loops is one of my favorite recent scents. All right. Oh, yes. Salty Sea Snuggles. Definitely have had this one before, and I loved it, and I will love it again. She sent me some. Girl, you really did not have to be this generous. Tahitian Beach Breeze. I haven't had this one. And this is a shape of, oops. This is the shape of a unicorn, I can tell if I look at it this way. That's the unicorn, but it's kind of covered up. Seaside Sunset, I've not had. Oh, tamarind fruit, coconut juice, coconut cream, and a vanilla cream. Oh, the little bunnies, the jelly beans. How cute are they? They're in the scent of jelly beans. I love jelly beans. I really do. I love candy. I'm just a candy, like grape soda. I just demoed this a couple days ago, actually. Yes, this one smells really nice and grapey. And though it says soda, it doesn't smell like tart like the fizzy stuff smells. Yes, I love these. I actually showed these a couple of days ago. The scent is amazing. This is a Lush dupe. What the heck is going on here? What is this? I'll be right back again. So what she gave me in the bag wasn't, she's too much. She is so amazing. She actually gave me a Lush bath bomb. I've actually had this one a couple of times. I forget the name of it though. I'm not gonna lie. I do forget the name of it because I do so many bath bombs. So the next one that we have in here is Cherry Wood Beach, which I've never had. This must be from the newest restock. Sorry for all the powder on my hands now from the bath bomb. Yes, it is. Oh, this smells so nice. So soft. Oh, I love that scent right there. And then I accidentally opened this one. You saw the cap in there. This is one that I actually just recorded this morning. in one of my metal warmers. Breakfast in bed. And look at all the colors in here. So my white warmer is broken, but I think I might still use it just because I want to see the colors show. I might still use it to re-demo this one because it didn't show as beautifully as it should in my metal warmer. But my white warmer has a little crack in it, and so it leaks very slowly. So maybe just for the color show, I'll be able to do this one. So I did forget one. I had taken it out of the box by mistake. This is Sweet on Paris, and I've actually had this one before. Very soft, sweet scent, and I loved it. So again, what do we have? We have this new to me scent, Cherry Wood Beach. We have Breakfast in Bed. Where'd the cover go? It's so messy. I don't even know what it happened to the cover. We have grape soda. We have Fruit Loops. We have, strawberry cream soda. Seaside Sunset. Salty Sea Snuggles. Tahitian Breeze. Look at the pretty shimmer on there. Gosh, it's too generous. This is a lot of stuff. The Sultan, Jelly Beans, Fruity Pebbles. I love these colors. Oh, this one's broken. It's going to be broken when I put it in there anyway. And then the Lush Bath Bomb that she put in a little Lush bag. Thank you so much. You are beyond kind, beyond generous, and I really appreciate you. I really needed to see something sweet like this today, by the way. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.